I hope as a AML CFT professional, you already know what customer screening is. It is also known as transaction screening, where we verify customer details as well as transaction details against sanctioned entities and individuals. So this video is going to be very interesting, and at the end of this video I will give you tips that can save a lot of resources of your organization and also may help to improve your career prospects. You may have heard about commercial database companies like WorldCheck, LexisNexis, who provide comprehensive database based on sanction list by aggregating data from multiple sources, including publicly available and proprietary information. They collect list and information from public sanction list such as OFAC, UN, EU, HMT, and they also collect information from various regulatory bodies as well as law enforcement and other proprietary information. So now the question arises how they collect data. So they have different approaches for collecting those kind of information. So it can be manual data entry where they hire teams of researchers and analysts who manually gather and verify data from the above sources to ensure accuracy and completeness. They may use web scraping and automated tools to collect data from publicly available sanction lists and other online resources. This involves automated scripts that extract information from websites. Another method is use of APIs and data feeds. Some organizations provide data feeds or APIs that these companies can subscribe to for real-time updates. This ensures that the databases are always current with the latest information. They can also collaborate with various agencies. They might have partnerships or agreement with various regulatory and law enforcement agencies to access more detailed or exclusive information. In this video, we are going to talk about one of such methodology, that is web scraping and automated tools. As you can see from here, this is a sanction list provided by United Nations. Okay, so it's a United Nations Security Council consolidated list of individuals and entities that are involved in terrorism financing and other money laundering or criminal activities. So I have already saved this file into PDF. Okay, so yeah, this one is the PDF, right? Now I have developed this Python program. So I have used this code to scrape the data from this list in this tabular format. As you can see, this is still not perfect, right? We are able to grab full name, designation, date of birth, place of birth, alias name of that individual, but still it is missing nationality or other information, which if we look at the PDF, we can see it here. Okay, so nationality is Afghanistan. So passport number is, there is no any passport number or national identification number. So anyway, we are able to grab all those data from this PDF and present it in tabular format, right? So I can save this table into Excel file, which I have already done here. Okay, so this one is the file. Okay, so we have a very beautiful tabular format of all this information. But the different commercial database like WorldCheck or LexisNexis, they use more powerful software or programming than this, right? So now you may be asking That's good, Kiran. But why this information is beneficial for me? Or why should I know all this information? See, as a AML safety professional, you should know what goes behind customer screening. See, these companies, this commercial database company, they use this kind of technology to present this data. Okay, they use this kind of technology to collect this data, and they provide this data to various financial institution and organization in form of XML or JSON format. So if you have implemented customer screening system in your organization, your vendor will, you know, collect this data from these database providers and integrate this data in your customer screening system. As a result, you are able to screen that customer names against this data. Okay, that is the main reason why you purchase this database from different commercial vendors. Okay, so now you may thinking that's good to know, but again, how this is beneficial for me? Okay, how it will help in my job, right? So I'll give you one example from my experience. In Nepal, in context of Nepal, we have Ministry of Home Affairs, right? And as per our regulatory requirement, we need to incorporate the list, sanction list provided by them in our customer screening system. So one day, what they did was they put this Sri Lankan sanction list. Okay, let me show you. Okay, and unfortunately, this list was not provided in our commercial database. So we asked our vendor, and they said that they have this list, but in order to incorporate this list in our present database, we need to purchase this list from them, right? And although this list is like around 32 or 60 pages, okay, it's not that long, right? And they were asking for like 1000 USD dollar, and which I think is quite expensive for this small task, right? So what we did was we developed this kind of program, right? Let me show you. Okay, so we created such program and dumped that and scrape all those data from that list and created this beautiful table. And so we uploaded we saved this table in Excel file, and we have an option in our customer screening system to upload Excel file as a internal adverse list. So it's a Excel file where we input names of individuals, right, and other details. And after this Excel file is uploaded in the system, our customer screening will start screening customer names against that list, right? So without paying any money to our vendor, we are able to incorporate this new list in our present customer screening system. So now you may ask, that is a very useful information, Kiran, but I don't know how to code in Python. Okay, so how can I do this? So for you, I have another best alternative, that is known as, you guessed it right, ChatGPT. Okay, so in ChatGPT, okay, I have already done this, so I'll just explain you the process. So in ChatGPT, I uploaded that file, and I wrote query that in the above PDF there will be the name like KPI this. So if you look at the file, the name is given as this, right? This is the individual name, but there are a lot of characters between that name. Okay, so I asked ChatGPT to clean those character and give me only names, right? And download it in an Excel file. And there should be another column which should include text called found in Sri Lankan sanction list. So ChatGPT gave me this file, okay, this Excel file. It gave me only one name, so I asked it to provide me with other names also, right? So you need to extract all the names in the PDF in the similar ways and download them in an Excel file, right? And the second Excel sheet look like this, okay? See, still there are issues with the name. And finally, I gave it another query. So I'm seeing the name like this. Could you remove the character 1, 2 and give me the text character only? And the final output of this was this list, okay? And this is perfect, right? Now you may be asking, why only 2 columns? Okay, where are other details? See, ChatGPT only can help you in certain way, okay? It has certain limitation, but it will fulfill your purpose, okay? Because in customer screening system, you usually screen the customer against their name, because you may know that there are a lot of information missing in that database or in that record. So the best option is to screen that customer against the name only. So now if you could derive such list, you can easily upload that list in your customer screening system, and your customer screening system will start screening the names of customer against this list. That's it for this video. I hope you have found this video very educational. And if you require any expert consultancy services on AML safety, then please feel free to inquire through our Google form. The link is given in the description section below. So thank you for taking out your valuable time for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, please do share with others, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel.